Hey folks, new project. My little old Alice C here is developed a hiccup. The carburetor, the float sticking. So we're gonna get this thing in the shop and get the carburetor off and get it cleaned and make the float stop sticking. Thing will run out of gas right when you're using it, drives you nuts. So then you can beat it and it'll fill up, and tired of messing with it. So we're gonna get it in the shop, get it apart, tear it apart and get it clean and fix this little hiccup. So I'll get it back in the shop and turn the camera on when I get in there. Okay folks, we got her in the shop. Like drove me nuts. Go about 100 feet and die, 100 feet and die. So that's why we're fixing it. But there ain't much taking one of these off. Fuel line, got 2 bolts up here on the intake, and you got your little governor rod back here in the back. So, and a choke cable, which this one ain't even hooked up. So, pretty simple, so I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll get this off and I'll show it to you on the bench after I get it apart. So I'll turn the camera on and show you some more. Okay folks, got her on the bench, got her apart. Not much to it. 4 screws, and as far as the parts in it, you got a float, seat, and a rod that holds it together. No bunch of moving parts, so, and found the problem. I don't know if the camera picked that up. Floats bad, so that's what's causing me problems. So I will try to find one or do something. I hate to order one. I've got some junk carburetors. I'll see if I got some parts. So hey folks, I got lucky. I had a carburetor and someone has been into it at one time. Had a good float, needle, and rod. Someone put some new guts in it, so I got lucky. So I'm gonna put these parts in this carburetor, and then I will turn it back on when we get going and show you how it looks. I like these Zeniths. There just ain't much to them. So 3 parts, woo woo. So I'll turn it back on when we get on the tractor and show you it running. Alright folks, we got the carburetor back on, new float in it. So let's see how it runs. Ran pretty good before, other than running out of gas. So hey! Well, there it is. Runs good. Alright, it's fixed. Yay. Alright, one more down. So, there you go folks. And as always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.